Folks, I'm Mark Johnson and my company is Artisan Restoration, and today I'm over here with my helper and our company mascot, Buddy, and we're working on replacing a sill log on this old barn where the doors are. And what happens with these old buildings is the doors don't always get closed every time it rains, and these doors are in pretty rough shape. Even if they were closed, it wouldn't really protect the floor. But we've got rotten floor. The sill beam here was completely gone, so we're going to put a new one in here. Made out of treated lumber, and we're going to stack 2x10s on top of one another and laminate those in here, and then we're going to notch into the old sill log and fasten it in. Right now we've jacked up the one side here, and we're about ready to jack up this side and lift the doorpost, which has sunk down past the rotted sill, and we have to lift it up 8 inches. And I made some special brackets for that, and bolted them to the door, and it worked out really well. We've got some 20-ton bottle jacks here, and we're going to use that to get the posts back up to where they belong, and then we'll put our sill in here. And we're probably going to rely on some metal straps and things to hold some things together instead of trying to do the traditional mortise and tenon joinery, which actually relied on gravity to hold everything together. And the metal straps will be a little bit better idea than that. So anyhow, we'll show you what it looks like when we're done in a couple days. We also have some other things to do in the building. We're going to put some battens on the end walls and on the side walls. We're going to do that, and put some cables inside, and do a couple things to strengthen up the upper structure of the building as well.